So I was sitting in bed reading
Rest in peace, by the way.
a couple of nights ago, and he came in. He was like frothing at the mouth to tell me.
Whoa.
He was so excited. And he was like, Dad, Duolingo took away the Romanized alphabet.
Whoa.
And, you know, I'm in like All the Pretty Horses version. And like, I've been reading Spanish and like shootouts in Mexico. And I'm like, what?
Huh?
Like, huh? What? Huh. And he was like, the true success, that feeling of inner worth and success, that he had progressed so far in learning Japanese that Duolingo took away the Arabic alphabet that he knew, that the Romanized letters, and he only had the Japanese kanji to work from. And that's what he's been doing now. It was actually a couple of weeks ago, and he's still doing it.
That's amazing.
And
Oh,
you know,
I wish
maybe
I'd had that as a kid.
yeah. And so like I implore people out there, like, download the free app and let your kids learn foreign languages, because it's doing a great job.